Hey there, this is Wendy. I'm so happy you're joining me today. I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in case you didn't know that, and welcome to my channel if you are new. You can purchase Stampin' Up! Products from me. I'm going to be using some of those today, and I want to show you what we're making. We are going to make this super cute little milk carton box. These have been done a lot of times on a lot of different blogs and YouTube channels, but I thought I would make my own version today and share it with you. And then the little guy on the front, isn't he so cute? So you're going to be able to see how I make that box. We're going to be using the Hey Love stamp set, which I have been featuring on my blog and YouTube channel all week. And on Monday, we made this cute little goodie using this stamp set. And this is cased from the Stampin' Up! Catalog. I really love that they give us great ideas to show you. And so I created that little guy on Monday. So if you want to subscribe to my email, I would really appreciate that, because that is how you get exclusive little goodies from me when I do special offers. And also, when you subscribe, you go through the process of you subscribe, you get an email to confirm your subscription, and then you will receive access to my free tutorials that are exclusive to only my email list subscribers. So you want to check that out. Also, I have this really awesome thing that I recently released called the Framelit Measurement Cheat Sheet. And it's $13.95. It's on my blog, and once you purchase it, you get access to it for life. So basically, it's the measurements of all the framelits in the Stampin' Up! Catalog that are basic shapes, and then I plan to add to that over time. So it's all the basic shapes, so the squares, the circles, the ovals, the stitched shapes, and the new rectangles. So I've measured all those out, provided them, and then I've also provided the mat size for several of them as well. So I hope you're interested in that and you check that out. You can get that at lovinstampin.com/shop, and then you'll click on the little button that says cheat sheet and it'll take you to it. All right, let's go to my stamp table and get crafty. Okay, so this is what I'm calling the milk carton box. Super simple to make, so you don't have to get overwhelmed. You could use any kind of scoring tool that you have. I am going to use the Hey Love stamp set. I've got a few Stampin' Blend markers, the Soft Seafoam Crumb Cake Light and the Flirty Flamingo Light. I've got Flirty Flamingo cardstock that I'm using to actually create the box, and it's cut at 8.5 by 6 inches. I'm going to use my Stampin' Trimmer as my scoring tool today, but you could use any scoring tool that you would like to use. We're going to score at 2 inches, 4 inches, 6 inches, and 8 inches, and I put that here on the screen for you. This is really something I'm going to try to get better about, is putting my measurements on the screen. All right, and then we're going to rotate 90 degrees and then score again at 2 inches and 4 inches, and then at 5.5. So this is a really simple box to make. You can whip a whole bunch of these out really fast. So you're going to cut away this little bottom tab here where the bottom flaps go, and then you're going to cut in on every single one of the score lines to that bottom score line that you see there. This is creating the bottom of your box. So as we trim in, just try to stay as much on that score line as you possibly can. Now, if you watch all the way to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to use as little adhesive as possible to create this box. Okay, so the next step is to add adhesive here and add adhesive just along the one tab that is the closest to this piece. So it will be the second to the last I can talk, I promise, tab that you use to close the box. So you'll see that here in a second. Okay, so once you get all those on, you're going to remove all the release paper, and then you can put the box together. You're going to put the tab together first, the little tab on the side, and then you're going to close the bottom of the box by folding all the flaps down and leaving that little adhesive flap as your last one. I kind of actually I don't know, I didn't get it on there right and got it off on the edge a little, so I just trimmed that little excess off. It wasn't a big deal using my paper snips. This part you're going to push in and pinch at the same time, and then you've got your little fold at the top that is going backwards basically. Now the fun thing about this box is you really could make it in a lot of different sizes, and I probably will do some sort of a little video or tutorial or something at some point on all the different sizes you can do. They are really, really fun and simple to make. Okay, I've got this little, I don't know what he is. I guess he's a chipmunk maybe, or I don't know. I think he's a chipmunk, but he's super cute and he's holding a little heart. And so we are going to color him with the light crumb cake marker. And I'm kind of just going quickly over his whole body. And sorry about my lighting. It's a little off in this video because I shoot all my videos with natural daylight. So I used to have lights set up, and I quit doing that because I didn't like all the shadows I got all the time. So I sit in front of this nice beautiful window that looks out to my yard, and I film my videos there, and the lighting normally is fantastic. However, when we have rain or clouds or storms, sometimes it can kind of make the lighting either kind of like a bluish tint, or it can even make it too bright like it is here now. Sunshine is usually like the best policy for me. It works the best, but we've had a lot of like inclement weather for California. Okay, now we're gonna tie a little twine bow on here using Whisper White Baker's twine. And you see there that I had layered all those pieces. I used vellum, and I cut that heart from the Be Mine stitched framelits. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you need any Stampin' Up! Products, you can shop with me at shop11stampin'.com. Click on either one of the videos you see here to watch more videos, and click on the circle with my face to subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much, and I hope you have a fantabulous day. Bye.